Hi everyone! Today we are diving into the world of concealers, how to choose the best shade, how to apply it, and how to achieve the flawless skin. So stick around till the end. We all struggle with skin imperfections from time to time, redness, breakouts, or dark circles. The right concealer is the secret to flawless skin, but knowing how to choose and apply it is the key. The word conceal means to hide, and that's exactly what concealer does. It covers blemishes, even out your skin tone, and can even be used for contouring. Not every type works for everything. We'll break down the different types and explain what each color is best for. While the main function of the concealer is to cover, this multitasking beauty product can also brighten, mattify, hydrate, be waterproof, nourishing, soothing, firming, or even have SPF protection. Some are made specifically for issues like dark circles under the eye, so make sure you choose one based on your unique skin needs. So let's get started. There are three main concealer consistencies: cream, liquid, and stick. And each has its own specific properties, making them suitable for different skin types and makeup needs. First one is cream concealer. It is traditionally highly pigmented, giving it excellent coverage. It's ideal for masking blemishes, dark spots, and other more prominent imperfections. You can apply it directly to the problem area and blend it using your fingers, sponge, or a brush. It's also great for quick touch-ups throughout the day. If you have dry skin, it's best to apply it over a hydrating base to prevent it from setting into fine lines or emphasizing dry patches. Liquid concealer has a lighter, more airy texture and is often available in a wide range of shades. It's versatile. Not only does it cover imperfection, but it can also brighten certain area of the face, like the center of the forehead, chin, or the bridge of the nose. Its smooth texture allows easy layering and blending into a very thin layer that looks natural and doesn't weigh down the skin. Liquid concealers often contain moisturizing ingredients, making them ideal for dry and mature skin, as they don't settle into fine lines, dry out sensitive areas such as the under eye area. Stick concealer, on the other hand, is the most durable and full coverage option of the three. It lasts even in more damaging conditions as it resists humidity and sweat. Thanks to its thicker consistency, it's great for coverage scars, redness, or pigmentation spots. It typically has a more matte finish, making it ideal choice for oily skin as it helps minimize shine. Concealers also differ in format. Aside from classic liquid, cream, and stick forms, there are concealers in a pen or pencil formats for quick and precise application, and palettes that include multiple shades to suit different skin needs. Powder concealers offer the strongest coverage because they contain a high amount of pigment, but they require precise technique to avoid a dry or cakey look. For a flawless result, it's often best to combine different concealers. For example, a stick concealer to cover blemishes and a liquid one to brighten the under eye area. Proper application and blending are also key to ensure a natural look and prevent creasing. Choosing the right concealer can help you achieve a flawless and natural even complexion. Now let's talk about color correctors. They are designed to correct skin tone by neutralizing unwanted undertones. They work onto the principle of complementary colors, meaning they use shades that are opposite each other on the color wheel. So let's take a closer look at the different types. First one is cream corrector. Neutralize red tones, making it ideal for coverage, redness, acne, brown capillaries, or pigmentation spots. Purple concealer Balance unwanted yellow tones, especially useful for people with warm undertones. It brightens dull skin and gives it a fresh look. Orange concealer. The best helper against dark blue under eye circles. Ideal for those who suffer from tired-looking skin due to lack of sleep. Mix a drop of orange corrector with green and apply it to blue-green veins on the face. It will effectively camouflage them. Pink concealer. Suitable for fair skin tones. It covers dark spots, visible veins, and green or blush undertones. Don't use it on a purple under eye circles. It might make them more noticeable. Yellow concealer. Covers purple shadow and bruises, brighten tired skin and gives it a healthier tone. Lightly blend it all over your face as a base under your foundation and it will make your skin appear fresher. And last one is neutral concealer. Matches your natural skin tone or is shade lighter. It hides pigmentation, under eye circles and acne scars. If you are unsure which color to use, neutral is always a safe bet. Your skin type also plays a role. It's also important whether you have a warm, cool or olive undertone to choose the most flattering concealer that works with your skin natural tones. Determine your undertones first. If you don't know how to find it, I have a video on that and feel free to check it out. Choosing the right concealer depends mostly on your skin type. If you have dry skin, the best option is a liquid concealer with moisturizing ingredients as it won't dry your skin out. Mature skin will benefit from cream-based option with anti-age ingredients like Q10 or goji berry extract, which help reduce fine lines and revitalize the skin. Oil skin is best matched with a stick concealer, which helps control shine and ensure long-lasting makeup wear. If you have sensitive skin, look for hypoallergenic and fragrance-free formulas. And if you are not sure about your skin type, I'll include a link in the description to a video where I talk about it. How to apply concealer properly. Concealer comes in as the fourth step of your makeup routine after moisturizing product, primer and foundation. Foundation often covers most imperfection on its own. If you apply concealer too early, it may settle into pores and fine lines. Recommended order is moisturizing plus eye cream, nourishes and hydrates the skin. Primer smooths the skin and helps makeup last longer. Foundation or BB cream evens out the skin tone. Concealer targets specific area like pimples, dark circles or redness. Setting powder and setting spray for a long-lasting finish. Mladé a pružné. Mladé a pružné. If you have a young and elastic skin, or if you are using multiple color correctors, you can apply the color correctors before foundation. I would say most of us use concealer mainly for dark circles, or at least I do. So let's look at how to cover them effectively and brighten the eyes. Preparation is a key. Start with a day cream or serum, especially around the eyes. It makes the skin softer and prevents concealer from setting into lines. Then apply foundation or BB cream to even out the skin tone, and only after that comes concealer. And how to apply concealer correctly. Forget big triangles. Just a small amount in the inner and outer corner of the eye is enough. Blend it gently. Use finger, a sponge or a brush. For brightness, apply a little under the brow and blend downwards. For lifting effect, use upward stroke from the outer corner of the eye toward the temple. Color correctors can neutralize specific shade of dark circles. Dark blue circles you can cover with orange concealer, purple, yellow concealer, purple blue, salmon concealer, and brown circles with purple concealer. Gently dab in onto the problem area, blend with sponge, and go over it with foundation or a light concealer. And how to set concealer. Translucent powder, let it sit for a while, then gently dust it off. Setting spray, a quicker way to lock in your look. For extra hold, use both. The result? Even, radiant skin and fresh awake look with no signs of tiredness. Try the proper technique and let your eyes shine. How to prevent concealer from creasing? If your concealer keeps setting into fine lines, try these tricks. Apply only a thin layer of concealer, less is more. Hydrate the under eye area with a lightweight cream beforehand. Set it with a fine loose translucent powder. Use a small brush or sponge and apply the powder gently so you don't highlight any dry patches. Now let's take a look onto some most common mistakes and how to avoid them. Using a concealer that's too light under the eyes. It creates an unnatural panda effect. Applying concealer before foundation. It may smudge or move. Too much powder gives a dry, cakey look instead of a fresh one. And the correct application, apply concealer in small dots, gently blend using fingers, brush or sponge. Start with a small amount, you can always add more. Use concealer only on smaller areas, not the entire face or forehead. Using different shades, lighter shade for brighten, inner corner of the eye, side of the nose, corner of the mouth, and dark shade for contouring, like cheekbones for example. And that's it. Now you know how to choose and apply your concealer so it lasts all day and look natural. Let me know in the comments what concealer is your favorite and if you already knew what the different colors are for. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and I'll be so happy if you subscribe. So take care and have a beautiful day.